Hey Rolf, look what t-shirt I'm wearing. Hey Rolf, look what I made.
So this week, it's a magnetic connector. Here I am just testing out the device, and here I am manufacturing it. It's a relatively simple thing. It's a piece of acrylic with some magnetic clasps that I found at a local craft store, Michael's. And then I solder some wires onto the back of half of each clasp. I align them so that they're of alternate polarizations. And then I just glue them in place inside of the acrylic. Now I'm preparing the last one of the three that's going to connect that on the outside. Now it's time to remove all the wires, strip the ends, and test it. The testing takes a little bit. Specifically, I forgot to connect the second lead, so yeah, that's going to take a couple of seconds more at the very least. And now, beep beep, and the whole thing's done. I'll be using this on our grain lodging project to control our motors. You'll see that soon.